In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an AI agent using the code authoring experience in Oracle AI Data Platform or AIDP. The code authoring experience lets me build, test, and deploy Python-based AI agents from the same environment. This makes it easy to work with existing code-based projects without switching tools. In this scenario, I've already developed an AI agent that answers questions about internal documentation and support procedures for IT teams. I'll bring the existing project into the code editor to test, refine, and deploy it from one environment. I'll begin with a new agent. The code editor opens, where I can create a Python project by adding new files or uploading an existing project from my local machine. I'll upload my existing LangGraph project. It uses the Oracle AI Data Platform Utilities library to simplify tasks such as connecting to OCI generative AI models, configuring guardrails, and adding built-in tools. This project uses Oracle AI Data Platform tool templates. In this example, I'll configure a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG tool, that retrieves relevant information from a knowledge base containing internal documentation. I'll also configure the language model and review the required methods for running the agent. Next, I'll identify the project's entry file, so the platform knows which file contains the agent definition. I'll also add a requirements.txt file to enlist any third-party Python libraries my project depends on. These dependencies are installed automatically in both the playground and deployment environments. Before deploying the agent for interactive testing, I'll run the Python file. This installs the required dependencies and runs the project's main function so I can quickly validate my code. This sample agent uses a RAG tool to answer questions from internal documentation stored in a knowledge base. Next, I'll open the Playground tab. Unlike Run, Playground deploys the current version of the agent to the Playground compute where I can interact with it conversationally. Once deployment completes, I'll start a conversation with the agent and review the execution traces to understand how each request is processed. As I continue developing, I can return to the code editor, update my code, and select Playground again. The latest version is redeployed to the Playground so I can immediately validate my changes. When I'm satisfied with the results, I'll deploy the agent for production. I'll select the target AI compute and complete deployment, so the agent is ready for production use. Now that I've created, tested, and deployed an AI agent using the code authoring experience, I can bring existing Python-based projects into Oracle AI Data Platform and manage development, testing, and deployment from one environment. Find more videos in this series and additional Oracle AI Data Platform resources using the links below.